G'day and welcome to, well, it's not Frybat, but an update, I guess.
He's driving it, he's driving it!
Well, it's been a busy couple of weeks since I finally finished the new lounge room, and I'd like to show you and share with you my latest project. Yes, I've done some more work to the driveway. That's not what I'm showing you. What I'm showing you is this. Yes, I built some electric gates. Still a few little tweaks to finish off, a little bit of adjustment to gate alignment and things like that, but well, by and large, they're complete. So we've got double gates. They are as tall as me, which is over 6 feet, and I built them, so they're bespoke, and they're made out of 50 by 50 RHS steel frame with a cross brace, and then I just used these panels that you can get, these Core 10 panels, which are designed to have a rusty appearance. Used 2 of them on each one, and I think that turned out really well. The gap is a little bit bigger in between the 2 gates than what I would have liked, but unfortunately, when working with wooden posts, this one's actually moved a little bit, and so alignment was a little bit of an issue, and but I'm really happy with the way they've turned out. Like I said, a little bit of adjustment. This gate's got to go up just a little bit on that side and drop slightly, which brings it into alignment better with this one, and a little bit of an alignment to the stops where they sit. We also have a keypad, so we can give a key code to visitors or anyone that we want coming. Now closing. They have a sensor that runs across here, so if there's a car or a person in the way, then the sensor will stop the gates from closing and reopen them. They are solar charged, although I may need to add solar panels for winter, because of course we don't get much sun here in winter. And the little solar panel is charging the camera, video doorbell camera. I have got some alignment issues at the moment, a little bit of adjusting to do. The motors are extremely strong, and they actually will pull the wood posts slightly. And as you can see, they're slightly misaligned, the 2 gates. This one basically needs to come up a little bit at the bottom and in at the top, straightening it up, and that will make it parallel to the second gate. They also have a pedestrian function, so you can push a button on the remote and just the gate opens, push it again and it'll stop where it is. It'll automatically close again after a certain amount of time, but if you push the button again, then it will close up again. Did have to do some driveway reprofiling, although lifting that gate is going to assist, because it doesn't, as the driveway slopes up the hill, I have to have clearance for that to open there, but that all works at the moment. And probably a little bit more obvious, the misalignment here. Just got to bring that over a little bit. The other problem is these wooden posts, which I put in a long time ago, probably a couple of years ago now, have actually moved with the reactive clay soil that we've got. Even though they are concreted in, the clay will still move them, depending on how much moisture's around and in the dirt. So yeah, so that's the big project that I've been working on. And a couple of days ago I had a little accident in the shed. If you're at all squeamish, I probably wouldn't watch any further past this this point of the video, because I will have a couple of photos of my injury coming up. Anyway, let's go talk about that. So yesterday, my time, a couple of days ago for you watching this on Friday, I was working on my mower, my good old ride-on mower here, and you know, she's getting on a bit. She's a 2000 something model, so she's probably 20 years old now. It's a bloody good mower. Worst thing about it is, you probably have seen before, I've had to repair the deck a couple of times because it's just a pressed steel deck. The other problem is with this aftermarket seat, which is more like a tractor seat, it sits on this plate, which is just a pressed steel plate, and it cracked due to my weight and the weight of the seat, and it was never designed for something that heavy. So welded up some reinforcing brackets, welded up the cracks, and whilst I was reassembling it, got my finger in here whilst holding this bolt, and the whole seat dropped, and a little bit hard to see in this light, caused me to damn near chop off my finger. Graphic photos coming up, so if you don't like squeamish stuff, don't look at them. Alright, so I broke the distal phalanx of my index finger, the special one that's used in traffic a lot, and damn near tore off the whole end of my finger. Thought I was actually going to lose it when I looked at it. And so a couple of hours in the emergency department of the Launceston General Hospital, and the good old doc stitched it up, whacked in some antibiotics, and well, here we are. So that'll slow me down just a little bit, a couple of days at least. Wife says no, you're not allowed to go and play with mowers or anything else at the moment, so thought I'd do a video and update you on where we're at. So yeah, so a bit of fun and games. Anyway, a little bit of an update on what I've been doing in the shed, and therefore the changes to the property. Anyway, hope things are good where you are. Take care. See you next time.